Welcome my YouTube channel Math Tutorial. Today discuss a new topic from algebra, complex number. This is the very important topic for any competitive exam, just for jointment, WB and a board exam. 2 and 3 sum are common of this topic. Today discuss basic concept of complex number and complex number properties and inequalities and De Moivre's theory. Firstly, we discuss what is complex number. What is complex number? What is complex number? This topic, complex number, first given Euler's. We know that x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Has two real roots, x equal to 1 and minus 1. But x square plus 1 equal to 0, that means this implies x square equal to minus 1. This is the impossible because x belongs to R, the real number. Any positive or negative real number has square always positive. I know that, but you know that. You know that x square always positive number. X is any real number. But this is the new x square equal to minus 1. So this equation has no root. Yes or not? This equation has root. The root has complex root. That means everyone assume that Euler's assume I square equal to minus 1. Then this equation x square equal to minus 1, that means x equal to x square equal to I square, x equal to I and minus I. Clear? This root has complex root. That means equation has root but not real root. This is the complex root. This given Euler's, mathematician Euler's. We discuss form of complex number and modulus, amplitude and operation of complex number. Next, definition of complex number. What is complex number? Definition. The square root of definition. The square root of any negative real number is called complex number. That means the square root of any negative real number is called the complex number. Square root of. This is the definition of the complex number. And complex number represented z equal to a plus ib. This is the general form. A and b. What is a and b? A and b is the real number. Belongs to R. This part and this part This part is called real part of the complex number. Real part of the complex number. This part is a imaginary part. Imaginary part of the complex number. This is the complex number form. Next, discuss fundamental operation of complex number. Fundamental operation, that's mean multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. Next, fundamental operation of complex number. Fundamental operation of complex number. Fundamental operation of complex number. Okay, fundamental operation. Z1 equal to suppose A plus IB. Z2 suppose C plus ID. Okay. Fundamental operation means Z1 plus Z2. That means A plus IB plus C plus ID. Real part and imaginary part. Okay. Real part A plus C plus I B plus D. This is the addition. Subtraction of the complex number, same procedure, A plus IB minus C plus ID. That means A plus C minus I into B plus D. This is the complex number, Z1 minus Z2. Z1 into Z2, product of the two complex number, A plus IB and C plus ID. Suppose the complex number, multiplication A and C, A and D, B and C and B and D. That's means 2 into 2, 4. Total 4 terms. AC plus I into AD plus I into BC plus I square into BD. That's means AC minus I square minus 1 BD plus I into AD plus BC. This is the multiplication of complex number, division of the complex number, Z1 by Z2. A plus IB divided by C plus ID. Division is the very important of this complex number, similar as rationalization of the irrational number. Similar as A plus IB, that's mean A plus IB C minus ID divided by C plus ID into C minus ID. That's mean A plus B into A minus B, C square minus I square D square, multiplication AC plus BD plus I into BC minus BD. This I square equal to minus 1. That means AC plus BD by C square plus D square plus I into BC minus BD divided by C square plus D square. This is the total operation of the complex number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next, very important, modulus of the complex number. Modulus value of the complex number. Define. The number of a complex number, modulus of a complex number. The modulus of a complex number Z equal to A plus IB. That's modulus value implies mod Z equal to root over A square plus B square. Such as example, suppose Z equal to minus 3 minus 4i. This is the complex number. Mod Z equal to root over minus 3 square plus minus 4 square. And root of 9 plus 16 root of 25. That's mean 5. And the modulus value of the complex number. This is the modulus value and with example. Next, eigenvalue or complex value and amplitude of the complex number. Eigenvalue or complex meant this complex number z equal to x plus suppose I into y. তাহলে p is the point x comma y. This is the imaginary axis. This is the real axis, x axis, y axis and origin. P, this is the perpendicular, this is the right angle triangle, this is x and this is y. This distance, this is the theta, this is the amplitude. Theta is the amplitude. That means amplitude of z equal to, that means theta equal to, that means theta equal to suppose x তাহলে sin theta divided by cos theta. क्या हुआ, this sin theta divided by cos theta, that means sin theta y by r, suppose root over x square plus y square, y by root over x square plus y square, x by root over x square plus y square, which means y. Now tan theta equal to y by x, theta equal to tan inverse y by x. This is the amplitude of the complex number. Next, properties of the complex number. Next, amplitude property of the complex. Amplitude of z1 and z2 equal to amplitude of z1 plus amplitude of z2. This formula remind this log of x plus log of y, the same formula for amplitude. Similar, just remind it, this amplitude of z1 by z2 equal to amplitude of z1 minus amplitude of z2. That's mean log of x by y equal to log x minus log y. Similar formula. This is the amplitude formula of the complex number. Next, inequality of the complex number. Inequality of the complex number. Inequality of the complex number. Inequality of the complex number z1 plus z2 modulus less equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. This is the inequality of the complex number. First formula, z1 z2 mod less equal to mod z1 plus mod of z2. This is the two formula of the complex numbers inequalities. Two inequalities of the complex number. And when two complex numbers are equal, a plus ib equal to c plus id, a plus ib equal to c plus id, then must be a equal to c and b equal to d. This is the equality of the two complex number. Equality of the two complex number. Next discuss very important topic, cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. This is the very important topic for this complex number. Suppose x, this equal to x, that means x cube equal to 1. That means x cube minus 1 equal to 0. This equal to x minus 1. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This formula. That means x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 1. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus b plus minus b square. b square minus 4ac by 2ice a. This quantity equation solving by Siddharth Acharya formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2ice a. তাহলে -1 plus minus root 3i by 2. Two roots, that's mean -1 plus root 3i by 2 and -1 minus root 3i by 2. Okay. This is represented by omega and this is represented by omega square. The 3 cube root of unity. 3 cube root of unity. 1 omega and omega square. Cube root of unity. Two properties of this root. Omega equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. This is the very important properties for sum mathematics. This is the very important property of the next very important topic. I discuss de Moivre's theorem, last topic of the complex number. Last topic of the complex number. De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem is the very important topic of the complex number. If n is positive or negative integer, then the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n is cos of n theta plus I of sin n theta. But if n is fraction, positive or negative, then one of the value of cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Today discuss total basic concept of complex number. Next class I discuss very important math or sum for board exam and top 20 question for board exam and top 100 question for WBG, GMain or GMain and advanced. Next class I discuss top 20 sum belong complex number for any board exam and top 100 question for WB, joint main, advanced and any other joint entrance or competitive exam. Thank you.